we're going to do question E. And now you have to start thinking, what is the similarity between question D and E? So in both cases, I have a number that is multiplying a bracket and is equal to a number. Now, what is the problem here? When I solved this one, I said that a lot of you will want to expand this one first, and I suggested that you had to divide by -4 first. Why? Because -8 is a multiple of -4. What do I have here? If you see, if I have 7 and I divide it by -2, I will be dealing with a fraction. Not the end of the world, but it will mean that my operations and the calculations that I have to do are not going to be easier. So in this case, I suggest that you first expand. So -2 times x, -2x, then -2 times 5, -5 is going to be plus 10 equals to 7. Okay, take away 10 on both sides, so I have -2x equals to -3, and then divide by x on both sides. I have that x is equal to 3/2. Wonderful. We usually leave our answers in improper fractions unless it's stated that we have to leave it in decimals or in mixed numbers. Okay, wonderful. Now I'm going to do here on the other side the other option that you had. So if you had -2, x take away 5 over equals 7. Okay, so if your first step is to divide both sides by -2, what happens? What do you have left on the left hand side? So you'll have, I'm going to align my equal signs. I have x take away 5 over -7/2. You might be asking why I didn't put the negative on the bottom, on the denominator. Remember that the whole fraction is decimal, is a whole, the whole fraction is negative, therefore I'm writing the negative on the denominator. Now what is the next step? Add 5. So then I have to have x is equal to -7/2 plus 5. Not the end of the world. I only have to find lowest common denominator, that is going to be 2, and this one is going to become 10, and then -7 plus 10 is going to be equal to 3/2. Same answer, only that my calculations were easier on the left hand side. So that's what what I was talking, that you have to become more critical in the way that you're solving your questions. How are they easy? The similar difference, what can I do to do my operations easier? Okay, I'll continue in the next video.